Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing Toddler Tuesday and Twinning with Tina from Tina's Reborn. Say that fast 6 times in a row and see if those T's don't get you. We have our toddlers baking cookies, and as you can see, we have one tray ready to go with all the cute little gingerbread cookies and goodies on there. I had her set her pacifier down. We got the flour and the sugar, and she's getting ready to roll out some sugar cookies, and it looks like everything moved after I set it up and the camera started rolling. There's cookies in the little stove. Darren made this little stove. Is this the cutest? Tina made these trays. She made this one and this one. Unbelievably cute. The stove has a little magnet on it right here so it catches. Look at this. It has an opening at the bottom for the little pots and pans. The big pot won't fit in it. And I'm going to show you a close-up of what our twins are wearing today. So this is my sweet little toddler, Clara, who is twinning with Tina's Reborns and More, her little Vera, and we're showing off their little outfit. I have to show this off. Tina sent this to me. Is that not the cutest? And it's like foam rubber. She had some items in there that she had some little donuts in there. I wish they were right here. I'd show you. Really cute. So what they're wearing this time is their gingerbread outfits for making cookies, and they have their matching pearl white shoes Darren made. I love those. Let me pull the little apron off and show this to you. This is from a pattern that Beth Ramsden offers on her website. It's very worth, I think it was not expensive. Let me say that. She may have raised prices and I don't want to quote it because I can't remember anyway. But let me show you this. It's really cute. And I found this gingerbread fabric, and I didn't even want to put pockets on it because I didn't want the gingerbread covered. It's all one piece, and it's where is the little connection? Right here. You sew the shoulder together and the lining at the shoulder, and then you slide this up like you saw me do. It's a little harder. This dress is a little longer, and this is kind of grabby fabric. The shirt came from Dollar Tree. I like these. It's a real quick, easy fashion doll white shirt that I use quite a bit on my Blythe dolls. It's quick and easy. It looks kind of funny there, but and then I made the little gingerbread skirts. I love this print. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Tina, thank you so much for doing this toddler twinning with me. Go by and see Tina's channel. We're going to leave a link to her channel in the description. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.